So we had probably the most exciting launch that we've ever had yesterday with our new planner that we co-created with Kaylee May. So many of you have already ordered it. So what I thought I would do is give you a quick walkthrough of the insert and what the kit comes with as well. Okay, so starting with the kit, which will come with everything included. So it has the binder, the insert, it comes with a set of stickers as well that are co-created with Kaylee, and then a ruler as well that you can insert into your planner so that you can keep your page. And I'm just gonna walk you through sort of like the inside pages of the binder. Okay, so this is the inside front of the binder, and then this is the inside back, which has the pen holder right here so that you can keep a pen. There are some pockets in the back here that are super convenient for things like stickers, cards, business cards, anything like that, as well as the front here. This is where I would keep my stickers, and then this is where I would keep my business cards. And then of course, we've got a gold 6-ring. Okay, and now to the inside pages. Before I move on, I just wanted to make another note about this incredible feeling of this like texture and the color. Everything really turned out so perfectly and exactly the way that we wanted. And this is probably one of my favorite things that we've ever made. So very happy about that. Okay, inside pages. So the refill will come with a cover sheet with a quote on it that Kaylee has picked out to introduce the planner. And then the first couple sheets are basically just intro pages for you to put your information. She's also put together a custom playlist as well for you to listen to while you use your planner. And then the first kind of like intro pages that we have here are a rituals and routines page. This is similar to the other rituals and routines pages that we have in our other planners, as well as a bills and subscriptions page as well. Okay, so moving on to the next section, this is the monthly calendar. These are fully dated and have a few of kind of like the main holidays included as well. These are bigger boxes than we have in any of our other planners, so that is exciting for all of those people who love doing the monthly planning. Then we go into the monthly goal setting section. So this is organized horizontally. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 goals every single month. And the goal section allows you to write out your goal, your motivation, any reward that you want to give yourself when you actually complete the goal. There's a full action plan with due dates and completion dates as well. So that is the goal section. Okay, and now most exciting of all, these are the weekly pages, also organized horizontally, and they are similar to our other planners, but just slightly different than anything else that we've done before. So you have your kind of like task-based to-do list section at the top, and then the bottom is going to be your schedule. So this is for anything that is time-based, where you would use your stickers and things like that. I honestly am so excited to start using this planner. I know that there's a couple weeks left in 2022, but I can't wait to try out this format because I think having, you know, both your tasks and your schedule all in one page is going to be really, really amazing. Then of course the planner continues week after week, and every 4 to 5 weeks there's going to be a new monthly calendar, and that is pretty much it. So if you get the kit, you also get this ruler, and you also get custom stickers as well that were designed by Kaylee. And if you're just grabbing the refills, you will just get the refills and nothing else, no binder. And the refills fit into any A5 6-ring binder. And I just want to say that I'm beyond grateful to everyone who ordered one and who's excited about one, because it is the most exciting thing that we have ever created and we have ever done. And I'm very thankful to Kaylee as well for allowing us the opportunity to work with her. So the planner is limited. Make sure you get one ASAP, and I will be back soon with more things.